Hello friends, I did something unadvisable, and what that thing was buy a 20-piece mystery box of brooches. I personally love brooches. I think that they are an amazing little touch to just up the vintaginess of any outfit, because it's just a fun touch that people just really don't do anymore. If you like vintage, if you like shiny things, or if you just want to watch somebody spend money on things that they don't need, stay tuned. Okay, so one of these is the haul of brooches, and one is a cookbook from 1963. This was the cookbook. Oh, that's substantial. We will have to be doing some veganizing vintage recipes pretty soon, won't we? There you go. You are a much easier box to open. The seller wrapped these in these little papery bags, so when I open these are going to get, like, you are going to get the first impression type thing. Okay, so here are our packages. I guess let's start with blue. Oh, this is a very cute, springy, like florally bouquet. I am not unhappy about that, but the puppies. Oh, that's a little boxer. That's a little Scotty dog, a pointer. I don't know what he is, but he's a fluffy boy. He seems super friendly. I mean, it goes without saying that this would be vastly superior if there was a pug on here. You can't win them all. Oh, she's a fancy lady with a fan. Oh, this is honestly like a perfect size for me. She's a little big. That's maybe pushing it. She's like half as big as my face. It's a little portrait. This guy, he's over here. He's playing like the lute or the guitar or something to try to get with this chick here. But this chick is talking to this chick like, can he not tell that we are lesbians? Like, we are so much more into each other than this fucker. Why is he bothering us? But of course, you know, straight white guy, he's completely oblivious. Ah! I love it, I love it, I love it. Got some staining there, got some staining there. But this is beautiful, beautiful little embroidery. I love it. I might take like a well-used toothbrush that's just for cleaning and try to like soapy water that to see if those stains go away, because this is absolutely beautiful embroidery. Love my flowers. Flowers are hermaphroditic. I also feel like the tones and like the pinks and whatnot of the flower go well with the new hair color, so it's kind of perfect with that, you know? I think that he's fun. He's got like this little bit of sparkliness to the brown in him. And our tall friend. Who are you, a clown? Oh, I do not like him at all. Oh, he makes me uncomfortable. No. Okay, we're much better with the seal. Ooh, he's got a sparkly red eye. It's not just a painted red eye, he's sparkly, and he's bouncing a little ball. Like, and they've got some like nice detailing on the ball too. He's a fun seal. Burb. I like animals, I like gold, I like pearls, so this guy's kind of got all the package here. The only thing that I can kind of see potentially this, because it's so bulky, not being too comfortable, but I can definitely see myself using him a ton. He will be my mascot during Wingspan, maybe even crows too. I don't know if we have any other bird themed games. She's like this Regency style lady with like, she's surrounded by tulips and whatnot. I can see that there was some pink on these flowers, so I think that maybe this was painted at one point. Very satisfied with her. I feel like she's also very mermaid-ish, and I'm looking kind of mermaidy right now, so it works. I'm half feeling it, like only because I really like the flowers, but I don't think that I'm all the way feeling it. I'm pretty lukewarm about this one. So next package. What is this? Oh my god, he's so derpy. I love him. Oh, he's like a little road runner. I like the green eye. That's a good shade of green. I like the gold. I like the texturing. I think he's just really fun. I don't know what era he is, if he's 80s or 60s. I don't know. Look at his little dancey feet too. He's just like prance. I just love this Roadrunner and can't really say why. These are some daisies in a horseshoe. He's got the flowers, which I generally vibe with the flowers. I'm just not vibing with him as a whole. So probably so far we're like at a 2 out of 10. copyright 1984 Hallmark Cards Incorporated, so he's a little Hallmark bear. He is quite a dapper fellow with his little bow tie. I can definitely see myself finding things to wear with him, finding him to wear things with. Him's a cute bear. There's like a little bit of bubbling. I don't think that this was professionally made. Maybe this was like some art project at school or something like that. But it's summer, so I will probably find something to wear watermelon, summery, fresh, fun goodness with. The wings and the eyeballs are like a marbleized clay type thing. So I'm definitely into that. It's just, I'm not so into the glitter on the body. No matter how I feel about you, sir, you're not a clown. You bug. White around his eye is a different white than the rest of his body, so I don't know if he just needs to be cleaned. He's gold under there. He's got some paint chipping, and his eyes are pink. Oh, it's an albino mouse. I'm pretty satisfied with this guy. All right, what are you? Oh, you all wanted to come out at once. Yeah, this seems very 80s to me, kind of like a starbursty bit. I mean, I already have some gold shapes, and I just don't find myself very drawn to them as much as I'm drawn to things like animals or flowers. I mean, I'm okay with it. It goes. I just don't think that I could mentally really do the dangly stuff and it would bother me too much throughout the day. That I feel like I do have a necklace that would go really well with this, but that's also, it would be a lot of jewelry in my opinion because it's also like a chunky necklace. This, I might wear this week just to kind of see how I feel in it. Like, it's not bad. It's just, I feel like I might find it overstimulating, but it's very crinkly. This is so shiny, plasticky shiny. This is so plasticky shiny. I think this is like an 80s does earlier era because I have kind of like the earlier era thing of this. Yeah, not bad. I'm kind of into you. This is actually really light. I can see him having his place. I do really like the matte black. Fancy. Him's a bear. Such a shiny polar bear too. He's like an icy polar bear. It's got like an ice collar. It's like so diamondy fresh. I can definitely see him making a happy home with the rest of my Christmas brooches. He gonna be my little Christmas friend. And the last ball of paper. I'm not super into this kind of like clay flower deal. He's just not my style, but I am into him. I feel like this guy's just trying to enforce some sort of nostalgia that I'm just not vibing with. My skin is pale enough to act as white balance, but if you see around the border, it's got little hearts. These little flowers. Just a nice little flower guy. I see more flowers. Oh, I'm into this one. What? Kind of just a random amalgamation of beading. It looks like we got some cinnamon sticks over here, some beads, a flower, a leaf, just like what is going on here? That looks like a bell, maybe? It's just atrocious and ridiculous, and I kind of love it. It's terrible. I love it. Like, there's nothing intrinsically wrong about him. I'm just not vibing with him. Does not mean that there's anything wrong with him. Just we're just not getting along together is all. Okay, there are two more bags. I hate this. I hate blue. I do like that it kind of reminds me of a tree branch with dew and berries and whatnot on it, but I mean, somebody besides me is absolutely going to love it, so maybe it's a Christmas present or something. It looks like it is like a wooden disc that is hand painted and glazed over. I'm really into like the natural material of the woods. I am really into the flowers, the hand painted, the artisanal aspect of it. So I'm pretty satisfied with this guy. I like him. I'm not vibing with the colors. I'm not vibing with the orange with the gold. The middle looks like a raspberry. Kind of just, he's not my jam. It is what it is. Out of the simple shapes though, I'm kind of vibing with him. I can see myself finding a lot of ways to use him. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. It's about that big, so, you know, not bad. Oh, he's a cute little bicycle. I think that he is so adorable that I will get over the fact that he's blue. He's a little bicycle. See? You can see him reflect off of my white forehead. If I don't already have this brooch, I have a very similar one. He's seen some better days. He's got some paint chipping off. He's okay, but just not looking his best. Maybe a little nail polish would fix that up. I'm not entirely sure. I actually feel like I have a shade of lipstick that this red will match very well. I feel like they did a really nice job with like the wood grain in the basket, and the enamel of the basket's like a really shiny gold, so that with the gold of the metal, with the apples, I feel like this is just a cute fall harvest type of brooch. Yeah, the apple probably goes best with this outfit, so probably why we stopped on him. Just fate had it. You know. Thank you so much for watching. How did you feel about the clown? I can't put my finger on it, but it's just full of so much no thank you. And also, which one was your favorite brooch? Leave that with any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos should come out on Tuesdays and Fridays, sometimes just one though. So if I were you, I would like this video, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bro. No, the bear! God, I hate talking. I have so much hair right now.